Hello dear friends and students. Today we will talk about nature of the quadratic equation. As you know, quadratic equation can be solved by using quadratic formula as well as by using middle term splitting method. So in quadratic formula we found that root of the quadratic equation can be find out by formula x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is our quadratic formula. So in this quadratic formula, the term which is lying under the square root means b square minus 4ac. This is very important one, and this b square minus 4ac is also known as the discriminant of quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. Why this is known as the discriminant of the quadratic equation? Because it helps to determine whether the roots are distinct or real, they are equal or they are not real. So this decides the nature of the root of the quadratic equation. That's why this is very important one. So very first, in by using this discriminant, if we understood, then there is a case 1 in which if our b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct and real root is there. There distinct means different root is there. If our discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, in case second, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then two equal root is there and both are real root. If our discriminant, in case third, if our discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real root is there. In this case, there is no real root is there. So this discriminant is very important one. Let's understand this discriminant by using some examples also. So if we consider case first, in which two distinct real root is there. Let an example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. When we compare this example with standard quadratic equation, then we found that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 6. Now calculate this discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. As you know, b is minus 5, so minus 5 is square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 6. So when we calculate, this is square, 5 is square, that is 25, this is 24, which is equals to 1. Always this which is equals to 1. Always this 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. That's why this kind of the equation has two distinct, means different and real root is there. When we find out root by using either this formula or using middle term splitting method, then we will found that x equals to 2 is one root of this equation and x equals to 3 is another root of the equation. When we understood this roots or nature of the root by graphical method, then curve of this kind of the quadratic equation will be, let this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 2, 0 and 3, 0 are our solution. It means x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. So the curve will this like. This is opening upward because the coefficient of x square is greater than 0. If it is less than 0, then this will open downward. This is our x axis, this is y axis. So by using this example, we easily understood our case 1. So now let us understood case 2. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, this is case 2. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then two equal real root is there. Two equal and real root is there. Take an example. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. In this case, if we compare with standard equation, then we found that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to 1. Again calculate b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is 2, so 2 square minus 4 into 1, a is 1 and c is 1. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. In this case, 2 equal root is there, and 2 equal root can be calculated by x equals to minus b upon 2a. Both root are equal in magnitude and can be found out by this way. So here b is, so calculate, in place of b put 2. So minus of formula 2 into 1, because a is equals to 1. Then we will found that solution is minus 1, and another solution will be minus 1, because both root are equal in magnitude, and same. So to understand this concept, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is our y-axis. Minus 1 will lie somewhere here, minus 1 will lie somewhere here. So the curve will be this kind. This is minus 1 is our solution. So in this case, curve will just touch on the x-axis, won't intersect. Listen, won't intersect. So this is the case where b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Let us one more example and understood the case in which b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That is our case third. In that case, no real root is there. Okay. So let an example. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. On comparing with the standard equation, we will found that a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to 3. Now calculate b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is minus 4, so minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. On calculating this, we found that 16, this 16 minus 4 square is 16, 4 into 2 8, 8 3 is 24. So this is equals to minus 8, and always minus 8 is less than 0. So this is our case. So curve, in this case, curve will be this kind. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So curve will be this kind. It won't intersect on the x-axis, even don't touch on the x-axis. So this is the case when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So there is no real root. Because in this case, a is greater than 0, a is 2, and obviously 2 is greater than 0. If it is less than 0, then curve will be downward. So friends, you can understood the nature of the root by this.